up, you guys? I've missed you so much. All right, it was weird not having another daily video. So we are in cleanup mode. So yes, the mantle turns on its own. It's fine. But listen, we've got some Christmas jazz going. We may or may not have gone to pick up some Christmas pieces today. So this is gonna be an undecorate with me. We're going to sort everything together. And then I wanted to talk about this. So I haven't done like a deep clean in a while. And I know you guys love a good deep clean video, but this just arrived. And it is a Hoover, what is it called? It's not the original, what's it? It's like a, oh, Power Dash Pet. Where? Yeah, it's 'cause of you, Carl. 100% 'cause of you. Power Dash Pet carpet cleaner. So I want to do like a legit deep clean. So here's my thought process, and that has a really high review on Amazon, and you buy it with one of these. So I got the pet one because Carl ruins our carpets. But here's what I was going to do. And if you have pets, or okay, it says cars, pets, smoke, home, sportswear. Oh yeah, sportswear would be really good. This stuff is the best. It's called Nidador. I don't know how to say it in English, but you put one drop and you can put it in a diffuser, you can put it anywhere. I was thinking of putting drops in that solution because this cuts odor like crazy. So this is the Orangina scent. And then this is the tropical one. And then there's the original. We've been using that forever and it works super, super well. I'm even thinking this because we have, this might be TMI, but if you're a pet owner or you have children, we have like a diaper genie for Carl's pee pads because Carl uses pee pads inside if he's not going outside. And we use those droplets. So it like completely cuts the smell. Idea. So this will be a deep clean with me. Organization. We have so much to clean. And I'm going to put on some Christmas candles to get in the mood. I also got this spray from that same company, Nidodor. I can't say it in English. It's the weirdest thing. This is the Orangina smell as well, and this works really, really well. We're trying to curb his habits of going on the carpet, but it is what it is, right? I used my planner today. It was amazing. All right, let's jump into this. All of this needs to go, and I usually put on like a really good pump up playlist. I love I think it's like Happy Mood playlist on Spotify. So I usually play that, make some pre-workout. We're gonna do like a fruit punch pre-workout. I'm in the full Christmas spirit. Listen, it's happening. Okay, I'm gonna put on my playlist on Sonos and we're gonna hop to it. And we are in full healthy mode. No margarita today, no chippies. I am doing sliced apples with some pink Himalayan rock salt on it. It's delicious. I cut them really, really thin so it kind of feels like chips. And then I'm gonna make a detox mocktail. Like, listen, 21-day total body shred. We are knee deep into it and things are happening. So I'm probably gonna get in some pretty solid steps, and putting this all away is gonna be a pretty awesome workout as well. So if that's something you guys wanna see, then just keep watching.
Falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
All right, so it is the next morning. Everything is clean. We have no more branches, spider webs, mantle's clean, everything is put away. All I need to do now is vacuum. So I have my trusty pink Dyson. So we have the, which one is this? V11. The one we have in Florida is like really cool, next level. This one is still good, but the one we have in Florida literally has like a laser that shows you how dirty your floor is. So I'm gonna vacuum first. Wow, the sun is like shining right in here. It's a sunny day today. And then I'm just opening up the carpet cleaner machine to do a number on our area rug. I really wish that companies like Ruggable would just have a larger size carpet, but I guess then it wouldn't fit in the washing machine. It's just hard with pets. So if you guys have solutions, please let me know. But I hope that this works. I really hope that this works. I'm gonna pull all the furniture off and actually do like a deep clean of the carpet, make sure that the floor is completely clean, and then we're gonna start decorating for Christmas.
Come together and make memories that stay. The ones that never fade on this Christmas day. Ooh, I hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red
Carl was staring at me while I was cleaning, and I told him that all of this was 100% because of him. Just in case you were wondering if this had anything to do with you, 100%. All right, verdict on the cleaning vacuum carpet cleaner. It's amazing. So I saw that it had a really, really high rating on Amazon, and I just thought, okay, we need this in our lives. I had the handheld one. I see you sniffing, bro, I swear. It is like the cleanest carpet ever. We're gonna test this out and see if it works. So what I did is I went through, I filled the whole bucket here with hot water, and then you put the solution in there, and it's literally made for pets, and it smells really good. And then this part sucks it up into the dirty water canister, which is like disgusting, but at the same time very satisfying. And it's crazy how much stuff was in the carpet, like literally speckles of glitter from last year's Christmas, like to that level. So I think I'm gonna do the upstairs next. I vacuumed. I will link this down below as well as the vacuum, but this is a vacuum also, which is really cool. It's amazing. Super easy to clean too. So if you have pets or just, you know, the desire to have a clean carpet, amazing. And when I flipped the carpet over, you could see like all the stains. I spared you guys of that, but you could see all the stains. And when I flipped it back over at the end, it's so much better. So this is the finished product. Everything is clean. Christmas tree is about to go here. We've put all of the bins away. So I feel now prepared and ready to decorate. So I think I'm gonna take this party upstairs next. And I feel like the next time you guys see me, it's gonna be pulling out Christmas bins. I hope that you guys enjoyed this undecorate with me and deep clean. We will continue to do the deep cleans together because I know you guys love them. I love them because they need to be done anyways, but I love sharing these good finds with you guys. Like I said, I will link everything that I use down below. If you guys liked this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed because videos are coming. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.